What up, America? Keith again, MJKL Speedworks. It's Monday night. Gonna get to work on the block tonight. Got some brake cleaner today. I bought some resin core flux for when I do wiring later because it was $2 at Walmart. So couldn't pass that up when I bought some. I've got some degreaser pumped up in the pump sprayer. I've got a can of oven cleaner. I'm ready to get working on this block, I guess. I also went ahead and pulled the hose pipe out. Right there. So I cooked tonight on the grill, so I've got to put the grill up. Tomato. And I've got to get this damn four-wheeler and lawnmower out of here, so I got some room to work. So I'm going to do some maneuvering around, and we'll get to work on this block. All right, y'all, a couple things real quick. My compressor is really loud in here. So preemptively, when I got back to the house from work today, I went ahead and filled up my compressor with air and cut it off just so I'd have some air pressure built up. I'm going to use the air pressure to kind of shoot these galleys out, blow out all these holes. You can see down in there, it actually looks pretty good. There's not a lot of crud on the threads, which is good. They all look decent. Now I know the mains are a little crudded up. Now on the other side, can't really see them right now, but I'm going to use it to blow out all the bearing passages for the oil galleys and the water galleys. Probably run that whole tank out. It's 150 pounds of air in there. No biggie. I can always cut it back on, but I'm not going to cut it back on tonight because it's fucking loud. And it's already like 11 o'clock. And people get pissed. So I don't really care about Clint Eastwood next door, but there are people in the house sleeping and they'll be ready to fight. So I'm going to wheel it out a little bit more here. I think what I'm going to start with is oven cleaner. I'm going to probably clean out the top here first because it's got some nasty shit in there. I'm going to start with that. Maybe hit these lifter trays and so forth. Maybe this front here. I'd like to save this front main seal though because it's still on there. And if it's still good, I want to change that shit, bro. I mean, it's not the front main seal, cam seal, whatever. I'm going to RTV over that when I put it back together. So I might not spray that with oven cleaner. I might just shoot that with degreaser so it won't like destroy it. Because oven cleaner is pretty stout. So anyway, we'll roll it over here and get to work. We'll maybe get some video of it or something. It's kind of messy, so I don't know. But you can see it as is now, and we'll look at it in a minute. Alright, you guys may not be able to tell, but I removed a shit ton of crud out of this thing. It's way better than it was. You don't see any massive piles of crud anymore. Still a little water in there. I gotta wipe it out a little better. You know, it's not perfect. But I'm about to spray everything down with WD-40. I cleaned out all the oil galleys. Best I could, you know. There's still a little stuff in there, but I mean, gosh, man, it was packed, crammed full of stuff. So, should be better than it was, right? So, the outside looks a little surface rusty right now. I don't care. It's oil free. So, I just literally sprayed it. Most of the crud's gone here. You're just going to see some surface rust. Don't really care, y'all. It's all good. Not worried about surface rust. We can paint over all that later. So I'm going to spray this with some WD-40 to prevent rust, because that's what WD-40 does. It's water displacement. After that, I say we flip it over and do the other side. All right. Done with this side. I got a massive amount of crap out of this thing, y'all. It looks way better. I can actually read some numbers and shit inside now, where it was written from the factory. Cylinder walls still look fine. I'm about to, I need to clean out these lifter galleys in there where the lifters go. It's still kind of rough. I want to get in there with some cleaner and clean those out real quick. It's getting fucking cold outside. It's like 40 something and the wind's howling because we've got some weather on the way. So, shut the damn door till I'm done. I'll move some stuff back in a minute. But anyway, I think it looks a lot better. I'm going to clean out these lifter galleys real quick, and then we'll lube up the cylinder walls with some ATF. We'll flip this damn thing over and clean up the bearing journals for the bearings to sit down in the mains. And maybe we'll put them back in or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out in a minute. All right, so I got it all cleaned out as best I can. I can't get it all. I got a lot of shit out of it. I've coated everything in WD-40 and kind of wiped it down. I went back and just added a little transmission fluid to these bearing galleys here. Mains are sitting over there with the caps ready to go back on tomorrow. I decided I'm going to wait to do any of this until I get all of my piston rings, and I get my head dowels, and I get my head gaskets. This way, I've come up with a pretty swift fucking plan here, y'all. I'm going to drop the crank in. I got a bunch of Permatex assembly lube, so I'm going to be assembly lubing everything. Tomorrow, I'm going to put the bearings in first, crank, main caps. I'm going to go through and torque those down in sequence. I'll try to do some of that on video so we get an idea of it. I'm going to flip this bitch over. I'm going to drop in every piston first. Get them all fitted in. I'm going to flip the rod, flip it back over and tighten all the rod bolts down. Torque those in sequence. Maybe stop, and I might, if I have time tomorrow, go ahead and get the cam out and slide the cam in and put the cam timing cover on and the timing set together if I have time, and the oil pump. I just don't know if I'm going to have time to do all that tomorrow. Because I got to sleep at some fucking point. It's like almost 1:30. My body's going to catch up. Like I said before, guys, I've got insomnia. And some people think that's a pretty cool thing to have because you can stay up late and do shit. I got news for you, folks. It sucks. It sucks not being able to sleep whenever you want. Those of you who can sleep on command, God, enjoy it. Enjoy your ability to just knock the hell out and start snoring. I rue your astute abilities. So anyway, there's some shots there. Everything's coated in WD-40 so we don't rust or anything. It won't hurt anything. I've already decided after I get it running and I let it get a good couple heat cycles, I'm going to drain all the oil out anyway and replace the oil. I'm going to start it up with some good old cheap Walmart oil. I priced it today. It's $14 for like 8 quarts. How cool is that? So I'll fill this bitch up with some cheapo Walmart oil. We'll get 2 filters. We'll ruin the first one with break-in oil, drain it all out, and then we'll fill it up with probably another round of Walmart oil and run it for a little bit. And then once we run it for a little bit, we'll drain it out and put maybe just a touch better oil in it. So I'm not sure about that yet. A lot of guys online just run what the fuck ever. They don't run anything fancy. So you see it's all degreased the hell out of. I'm actually wiping grease on it with my hand. I also just went through and wiped down the cylinders with some ATF, automatic transmission fluid. So they're all good and coated, so there's no rust happening. As you see, they look mint. Fucking blew my shop light. The rough surface bulb finally said fuck you and quit on me, so kind of blows. No, anyway, guys, I clean up a little bit and we'll wrap this bitch up and get her loaded up on the good old internet. All right, y'all, so I totally forgot to do the thing where I'm supposed to record something saying that I'm done for the night. Was tired and I was late. Oh well. All right, so anyway, we're still waiting on parts. It's the next morning, by the way. It's like 6:30 right now. So I'm still waiting on parts. I've got head gaskets, lifters, dowel pins, and rings coming. Maybe next Saturday I'll be able to order head studs and some ARP fastener lube for the head studs. Then we can put it all together. But either way, I still got other parts to put together, so other things need to be done, so it's all good. Anyway, we'll get back at it depending on when the parts get here, either tonight or tomorrow, whichever. We'll dig back in, so till then, guys, here's some videos for you to watch. Hope you enjoy them. Go back through the series and watch the progression. from what I've got to where I am now. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace.